Master Nakamoto made me the chosen one. I am the original and I am the best.
But you've turned your back on your roots and are now nothing.
We will see.
Satoshi Nakamoto has chosen me now. Bitcoin Cash is Bitcoin.
Hey guys, welcome back for the weekly update here on YouTube. As usual, I had this poll yesterday on the free Telegram channel asking what chart would you like to see on YouTube tomorrow, which is today, and we had 47% of the votes for BTC, and we had 178 people voting for this one. So we're going to be doing BTC technical analysis. Before I start, let me remind you guys, we have a poker game scheduled for this Saturday, so it's going to be in 3 days. This is limited to 9 players only, so as soon as we have 9 players, I'm going to close the registration. So far we are 4 people. So yeah, if you're interested, just click the link below, which will take you to this page, and you can read through the information here. The price to participate is 0.05 Bitcoin Cash. And yeah, the link is dopeforever.com/poker. I'm not going to go into the details. You can just come here and read it if you're interested. So that's that. And now let's get into the charts. So let me delete this line here I had from my previous videos. We don't need this one anymore. We still have the box here for the ETF, for the ETFs, which are going to be at the end of September. So I'm just going to leave this here just in case. But in general, guys, this is not good that we are retesting once again the 6,000 level here. It's very, very unlikely it's going to hold this time. It doesn't mean it cannot bounce a little bit more. I said that in my previous video last week. I said I'm sure it's going to bounce again on 6,000, but it'll probably be a weaker bounce here, and then a breakdown finally, because this level has been tested way too many times now. So I don't think we're far from breaking down. What I would anticipate here is that this is going to bounce a little bit, and then, or maybe it won't even bounce here. Maybe we just break down straight away. But either way, I would expect when this level breaks down, we're going to go to 5,000 very quick, or near 5,000. Okay, I'm just saying 5,000, but it could be 5,300, 5,200. Maybe 4,900. I'm just gonna say near the 5,000s for this support here. This is major support. Maybe we won't even make it that low, and we will bounce a little bit earlier. As these things happen in trading, you just don't get to your target and it'll bounce a little bit earlier. That's why I'm saying maybe 5,300, something like that, but I'm just going to call it 5,000 for the sake of this video. So I would expect this to break down, get to near 5,000 very, very quick, and then bounce again to retest 6,000 as a resistance, and from here get rejected and go into, the long-term bear market that we've been talking about for quite some time now. So guys, I'm going to repeat this. I haven't been giving out signals, and I won't do it for the time being, because I think I did all I had to do during the past bull market and during the main sell-off here near the top. So I made a video when we were right here at $17,000. Say the title of the video is "Time to Sell BTC," and you can find that video on my channel. I didn't get the exact top at 20,000 or near here because I was waiting for this pattern, which is the classic pattern of a market top for any market, not just crypto, but any market. When it goes crazy vertical at the end, the way you can time the top of the market, or at least close to it, is when you see this pattern that it breaks down very, very violent, and then it bounces very hard again, making it near the top, near the previous all-time high, and that's your warning to exit. So I was warning. actually, I was talking about this pattern before it happened. When we were going crazy vertical here, I said, expect this pattern at some point. I don't know when. I don't know where the top is going to be. It might be 20,000. It might be 50,000. I don't know where the top it'll be. But expect this pattern. And when you see this pattern, then you exit and, you know, in the bounce. And then I was shorting during this period of heavy sell-offs here. I think I went long in this one here. You know, when we started bouncing back down, I changed and went short again. I think I went long again in this one. You know, all my videos are there. But now for the past couple of months or so, I just stopped giving signals because now we corrected already. This is like 70% or maybe a little bit more, is around 70% correction. It's corrected already too much to continue to go short, even though I expect lower prices. Continuing to short after a 70% correction, it's, in my view, way too greedy. And this is not the, you know, the way to trade the markets. You know, it was expected to have a little bit of an uptrend, but the dominant trend is still down. So that makes it very, very difficult for short-term trading. So it's better to just, it's better and it's easier, you know, to just stay away and now just wait and use this time to do a little bit of thinking of what are the projects and the coins that you want to be in for the next bull run. Just use this time to do research on that and just wait it out. Just wait it and, you know, do nothing, because after we find the bottom, which I'm still expecting by the end of the year, more or less, then expect a long-term sideways market, which is accumulation, you know, consolidation, accumulation. So there's no rush to do anything right now. Nothing is going to reverse from one day to the next. So now you have time to do a little bit of thinking, you know, and position yourself for the next bull run. Because I can tell you this now, just like people don't believe bear markets in crypto, there's still people that don't believe we are in a bear market. They are still expecting a B-shaped reversal and call this just a healthy correction and we're still bullish. No, guys, no. There's, you know, bear markets do exist and they actually always take place after bull markets. And the same goes the other way around. Bull markets always take place after bear markets. So there will be a bottom and there will be a bull market after. You just have to wait for it, you know. It takes time for these things. The short message here, I expect 6K to not hold for much longer, break down to near 5K, and then bounce again to test 6K as a resistance and get rejected here. And it'll probably, you know, go a little bit higher than 6K just to fool some people so that people, you know, will go long after we break above 6K, but I don't think it'll be much higher and then back down, get rejected at 6K. 6K is going to become resistance, very strong resistance sometime soon. Probably, of course, I don't know the future 100%, but by probability, it's been tested so many times. I don't think it'll hold, and now it'll become very strong resistance because it's been tested so many times as a support. That's my view on BTC for this week. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Good luck out there, and I'll see you next week. Bye.